Hey everyone, today we are going to learn something really cool as object oriented programming or OOPS. Don't worry about the big name, let me explain it with something you already know. First of all, we open VS Code. Now we have already opened the VS Code and we make a one file dog.py. First of all, we think about a dog. Every dog has a name, a breed, and an age. And every dog can do things as like bark, eat, sleep. In Python, we can describe a dog using something like a class. A class is like a blueprint, as just like how a blueprint for a house tells you what every house built from it will look like. Now let's build our dog blueprint together. In Python we use the world class to create one. Then we create, first we write class dog, class dog, and something class dog. Then we write def init and self name and breed, what's the dog breed, age, and semicolon. This line means def init. What means init? Here init is a special function that runs automatically when we create a new dog. Here init is a special function. Here init is a special function that runs automatically when we create a new dog, and then we write self dot name equal name. This line means dog's name. This line means self just means this particular dog, so self dot name is this dog's name. So self dot name is a name, and after we write self dot breed, self dot breed equal dog's breed, dog breed. Then we write self dot age equal age, and bark is an action the dog can do, so we call these methods. Bark we call bark is these are methods. Now let's actually make some dog from one blueprint. There are only object. Now we create a object. So we create a object. We write dog1 equal dog buddy or dog's breed is Labrador and dog's age is 3. Now we can write another dog's name dog2 dog2 equal dog name is Max. Dog name is Max and dog's breed is poodle and dog's age is 5. Now we print dog 1 dot name. Then when print dog 1 dot name, the output is Buddy, and after we print dog 2 dot age. When the dog2 age print, the output is something 5 or 3. Now we write dog1 dot bark and dog2 dot bark. Dog2 dot bark. Okay, some indentation errors, we can fix it without any problem. So we can fix this error. Class dogs, just write all these things, and some indentation errors are arise, we can fix it. So we can fix all errors. At last we make another function def bark and def bark, then print woof. And print woof. We run the code. Here are some problems. Is dog is unidentified. Because dog is unidentified, the error is arises. We write the code, this class dog def init and self dot breed, and then that and that. When we run the code, the output is Buddy says woof, Max says woof. So this is a small topic of OOPS. Then we check a technical check, speed test of